Hello internet friends. In this video I am continuing to rebuild my vertical stabilizer. Previous vertical stabilizer that I built was 2 years ago, and let's just say I got better at building in those 2 years. So what I'm doing right now is labeling the parts that I drilled in the previous video, and then I'm going to deburr them. Since I drilled them, it created burrs that need to be cleaned off the metal parts. Burrs are things that can, well, they're little tiny pieces of metal that rub on other pieces of metal and can cause cracks, so we don't want any of that to happen. And on the RV-14, there's a few places, if you look at the previous vertical stabilizer in the background, where it tells you not to dimple. So I'm marking that on the ribs so I don't accidentally dimple them. Of course, then I don't pay attention and I dimple a couple of them. That's okay. You know what you can do is use the flat sets and then undimple them. Now, obviously you don't want to do that too many times, but it's okay to undo a oops. Alright, so someone asked, what should you get that you're not thinking about when you first order a empennage kit? So I'm going to tell you right now, you should order 2 of these vertical stabilizers. It's a lot cheaper to pay for it to come in the crate with the empennage than it is to ship it later. Actually, I don't know how much. Shipping was probably like 70 bucks. I don't even know. I guess I should go figure that out. I think the parts were $300, and then I have no idea how much shipping was, so I should probably go look at my credit card statement and figure that out. That's one thing that could be better about vans shipping. I don't know how they would do that unless they ship out the same size and weight stuff through the same vendor. Yeah, now I'm saying that out loud, I don't know how they would calculate a shipping cost and put that online when you order it. So anyway, yeah, since this is the first thing you build, you're going to mess it up. So there you go. Order another one of these. Put the second set of parts away for like until you get to the tail cone, and then pull this back out, because that's where the plans tell you to pull it back out, and you'll realize that the first one you built is complete garbage, and you'll rebuild it. You'll already have the parts to rebuild it. There you go. I guess really just when you order an empennage, just order 2 empennages, because yeah, there you go. You'll get better, and then sell the parts later. Apparently Vans parts are a hot commodity right now because you can't get them and everyone's waiting. So yeah, maybe I should have bought like 2 or 3 kits and then sold them, and then I would have paid for the first kit. Like it's a PS5. Okay, we won't go there, but and no, I'm not selling PS5s or Xboxes or anything like that on the internet. Although I do have a Garmin GTX 330 sitting right next to me on my desk that I still need to put on eBay, because I'm definitely not going to use that in this plane. So far I'm thinking, since the G3X can control a bunch of stuff that's remote mounted, you don't really need a touchable transponder. I mean, it's on the G3X. You click the thing and it brings up the window and you type in the transponder code, and then you hit OK and it goes away. Like, really, that's all you need. I don't need an actual dedicated transponder interface on the panel for that. So I think I'm going to get the remote transponder option. So yep, don't need this 330. Also, the 330 only does Mode S, and I need it to do wanted one that could do ADS-B in and out and weather and all that. So yeah. Anyway, If you are interested in chatting RVs, come join our Slack group, and you will find the link to join our Slack group in the description of this video. And when you come chat, use the referral code FREE, because it's free to join and free to... There is no referral code, I'm just trying to be funny. So anyway, see you there, and I will see you in the next video where we will be priming and dimpling skins. See you then.